With one eye on the stove as you smell a delicious dinner almost ready to eat, you flip your laptop open on the kitchen counter to send a quick follow-up to someone you met this week before you forget. 20 minutes later, you're still there, copying, pasting your info from your notes app into your spreadsheet, drafting the email from scratch, and reminding yourself to log into your CRM. Your significant other just asked if you would be done soon because that delicious dinner is on the verge of overcooking because you lost track of time, and you respond, without knowing what the question was. Today, we're breaking down Zapier AI, what it is, what the research says about plugging AI into workflows you already run, and 3 protocols to use Zapier AI to automate your email triage, content repurposing, and formed AI pipeline so tools you use start working for you instead of the other way around. Grab the episode download, links in the show notes. It's a 1-page cheat sheet, so you don't have to take notes here. Zapier's been around for over a decade as a connector between apps, the thing that quietly runs in the background so a new form submission automatically creates a contact in your CRM. What changed is the AI layer. You can now route data through a model, generate a draft, classify an input, or build an autonomous agent and do it all without writing a single line of code. Zapier connects over 7,000 apps. The AI step sits right in the middle of those connections, reading inputs, making decisions, and drafting outputs before you ever touch your keyboard. Here's what the science says about this. A 2025 study published in the Quarterly Journal of Economics titled Generative AI at Work tracked 5,172 customer support agents across the staggered rollout of an AI assistant. Workers with access to the tool resolved 15% more issues per hour on average. Less experienced workers improved by significantly more, not because the AI made them smarter, but because it surfaced the best practices of the highest performers and handed that to everyone. That's the mechanic Zapier AI runs on. You don't need to be the most experienced person in the room. You need to wire the right AI step into the right workflow. Now, here are 3 protocols for you to automate your workflows using Zapier AI. Protocol number 1, build a 3-step email triage Zap. When a new email hits your Gmail, Zapier reads it, sends it through an AI step. You can use ChatGPT 4.0 Mini, Gemini, or whatever is your choice. Both are available free inside Zapier. And the AI classifies it, urgent, follow-up needed, or no action. That label gets added to a Google Sheet or dropped into a Slack message. You open your inbox knowing exactly what needs you and what doesn't. No more scanning every subject line at 7 a.m. trying to figure that out and figure out where to start. Your protocol number 2, run a form to AI content pipeline. Set a Zap so that every new Typeform or Gravity form submission automatically feeds into an AI step that drafts a follow-up email or content brief based on what the person submitted, name, topic, answers, and drops the draft into a Google Doc or into your email composer ready to review. You're not writing from scratch. You're editing a draft that already knows the context. That's a different cognitive mode entirely that you can run on. And your protocol number 3, repurpose content automatically. Every time you publish a blog post or podcast episode, Zapier can pull the title and summary, send it to an AI step, and generate 3 social posts, one for LinkedIn, one short form, one thread opener. They land in a Trello card or Notion page ready to edit. The post you spent 2 hours writing goes 3 more places before you even close the tab. Pick one of these this week and set it up. Zapier has a free plan, and their template library means most of these apps are just 2 clicks from running. And that follow-up you almost missed at the beginning of this episode? Next time, Zapier handles the draft before you remember you needed to send it, so that delicious dinner never gets overcooked. Your move.